Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel. So you're looking at a very cool dashboard on my screen. This is actually a application that you can run on your web browser. The website is ham-.com. This is a very cool website that allows you to actually do all the stuff that you can do with your ham radio. So basically, the website is actually the dashboard that you're looking at is called Ham Radio Dashboard, and it's available as long as you have an internet connection and you have your RTL-SDR dongle. This is available to you. So this is a very cool website, and you can also connect your SDR to it. I'll walk you through it. So it allows you to actually look at different type of amateur radio satellites. So for example, right now, this dashboard, you're looking at satellites, different satellites. There are different one of them. You can just click any one of them. It will take you to their position where these satellites are. You can also look at them. So this is one of the cool feature. You can look at different type of satellites under activate or under. You can look at satellites. You can do POTA using this particular website. Since it's an ham radio dashboard, you can also do weather update. You can also listen to different things. You can listen to shortwave live stream. You can look at web SDR directory, web SWR directory, web SDR. And the cool application that you can use with your RTL SDR dongle is actually SDR receiver, which is free. You don't need to install a particular software. This works perfectly fine on your Windows, on your Linux, or on your also on your Mac PCs as well. So all you need is just an internet connection with your RTL SDR dongle, and you don't need RTL SDR dongle if you just want to enjoy some of the features that are there. But you can always buy this particular software. I think it's going for like $9.99 or something like that. So SDR receiver. So as soon as you click on it, you can upgrade to SDR Com Pro Edition, or you can just use my dongle with the free SDR Com. So just simply click on this. Once you click on this, here is the dashboard that you will see. All right, so you can connect your RTL SDR. You can only use RTL SDR dongle. You cannot use those $20 cheap dongles that you find with this particular software because it doesn't seem to work for me. But if you have a NULEC SDR dongle, you can easily use that, or you can use RTL SDR vlog version 3 and version 4. I happen to have version 3 dongle, which I'm going to connect, and I'm going to show you the interface. How does it look like? So just simply connect to your machine, to your USB driver, a USB port, and just simply click on the just simply insert this and hit connect RTL SDR. Once you click this, you will see a sign like this, which says RTL2838. Just simply hit pair, and once you pair this, this will be automatically connected. You will see this is already started streaming. All right, once it starts streaming, you will see your typical band, like for example. So right now, because I was working with this earlier, you can see this I'm tuned into 944 megahertz, and also give you the band name as well. So this is basically your cellular and LTE band, and you can also see the signal strength with respect to this retro dial, like galvanometer type dial. You can also do demodulation. Some of the famous demodulation is near band FM, wideband FM, upper sideband, lower sideband AM. There are a lot of different controllers that are there. You can also see the waterfall graph. You can also see the spectrum. This is where you can go ahead and change your frequency from. So for example, if I want to change my frequency to, let's say, 100 megahertz, I can just simply hit enter, and now it will be changed to 100 megahertz. Now, if I just want to demodulate this, I can select wideband FM, and as you can already hear it, what's going on. So you can also demodulate your signal live as well, and then at the same time you can also monitor them as well. So for example, let's go to 935 megahertz, which is your cellular frequency. So here you can see this is your cellular LTE. You can look at just continuous wave as well. All right, so very beautiful interface. You can select your RF gain as well. This is your waterfall graph, and I mean, the sky is the limit when it comes to this particular software. You don't need to worry about your drivers or anything like that. Just simply have your dongle connected. This main tuning knob allows you to actually move this a little bit. So for example, if I were to move this, as you can see, the knob is moving. So it's by an increment of 100 kilohertz. So it's moving by 100 kilohertz. You can change the frequency as well, and so on and so forth. So this allows you to actually see this, and you can tune into any frequency. So for example, let's say if I want to tune into 1535 or 1525, which is your GPS, I'm going to hit enter. And this is actually your SATCOM, aviation and satellite and things like that. So this is a very cool interface that I just wanted to introduce you to Hamdash. I just came to know about this probably a week ago or so. You can do a lot of different things with this particular software. And so hamdash.com, that's the website you want to go to and have your RTL-SDR ready, so you'll be able to see and monitor the spectrum. I hope you find this video to be helpful. If you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comment section. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.